Yes, sir. It's your boy B Hayes. We back with another one, guys. So AMC sitting at 1768. GameStop sitting at 152. As we know, GameStop is down in the red, guys, while AMC is doing this thing. They kind of like swap places. GameStop usually will be the one taking off aggressively, while AMC is steady lagging back. AMC is taking on their aggression today, while GameStop has fallen back a bit, guys. And we could have got a way better day from both stocks on today if things wouldn't have came up surprisingly. As we can see, guys, the U.S. stocks was falling today after ECB's surprisingly big rate move. Investing.com U.S. stocks fell as corporate earnings season continued and the European Central Bank made its first move to tackle inflation by raising interest rates. At 10:32 a.m., the Dow Jones was down 304 points, the S&P 500 was down 0.7%, the NASDAQ was down 0.6%. New jobless claims rose to 251,000 last week, the third weekly gain in a row and the first time above 250,000 since January. Guys, so as we can see, inflation is still out of control and the Feds is going to have to come in and aggressively tighten balance sheets and tighten monetary policies in order to help try to tame this inflation before it continues to get massively out of control, guys. They is losing their face card. The Americans, they is looking at the Feds like, you know, when is you going to get this under control? We putting our trust in you. So basically their face card is on the line and they're going to do everything in their power to keep their face card clean, that they is the ones in power and it is in control. So as we could see, guys, that's seeing the market in a mixed signal on today and caused us to come down. We always have those hiccups that come in and mess up our game plan. You know, our game plan today was to run up prior to GameStop stock split after the market is closed today. So we didn't get that run up with GameStop, but we did see a breakthrough with AMC, just as I was expecting. GameStop didn't reach the price target, but I told you guys on today, AMC will break through $17.82 with ease, fly up to around the 18s, possibly even touch the high 19s, maybe even 20 on today, guys. But we got slowed down. If we could have kept that momentum that we was experiencing this morning straight out of the gate with no hesitation, AMC would have been a lot higher than what it is. But we can tell something interesting is brewing with AMC, being for the fact that AMC is holding up its gains. It's not, even though it spiked off above its resistance from the other day at 1782 and went as high as $18.37 on this morning, as it came down, it still held up well in the $17 territory, which is a great sign. As we can now see, we're bouncing again. It came all the way to a low of $17.11, and now we're bouncing, going up towards 1777, looking like we want to go and revisit that all-time high of today, guys. And if we do that, we still got some more of the day left. We could possibly reach that price target of touching 20 and coming back down and, you know, breathing a little bit before we rip even harder, guys. So you definitely want to have AMC on your radar right now, because things is about to get interesting, and it's definitely going to take off the hardest when you least expect it. After a nice little pullback from getting people out of there, it's going to rip right back up even harder. So you already know, guys, what to do. Add your boy up on Instagram at the B Hayes Show. I love y'all. We out, and God bless you.